Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. The sliding door stylings, the flower coolers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length, about like 78 inches long. And the overall depth about like 30 and 3/4 inches deep. The units have a casters at the bottoms. So include the casters, overall height. The unit should be about like 78.5 inches tall. As we can see, the unit is coming with a digital displays, the controller at the bottoms right here at the corner. And we can set in all the temperatures. So as flower coolers, this temperature can set in between the 33 Fahrenheit to the 50 degrees. And also we do have sliding doors for the units. And when we try to pull it out, we can fill in the door, have the shaft closings. And the other side too. Okay, looking at the banners, we can see they do have a switches in the center at these positions, so you can control the lights. And after we open the door, we can see they have some like shelving racks inside. And for the holding these brackets, they do have adjustable level sections here. And for each of the door, they give you about like 4 shelving, so total will be 12 shelvings for these units. And the inner side dimensions, it is about like 22.5 inches deep. And for this door access, the clearance height, it's almost about like 47 inches tall. Also, the length of the units, entirely about like 74.5 inches long. For this unit, it's coming with the 2 big air circling fan on top of it, and have the water gym pipe connection to the backboard directly. And also they do have the sensors for the temperature settings. And on each of the side, they come with the LED light strips. So they have 2 LED lights for these units. And when we're looking at the behind of the units, we can see a complete fly and sealed. And at bottoms, they do have the ETL sanitation stickers with all the cost sheets information and diagram for the units that you need. And looking at the bottom of the units, we're having the standard plug 110 power connections and all the compressors and the coil system they mount in the center of the back. So that's what will be the all demonstration information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.